Today we are going to learn one digit addition. The spelling of addition is A D D I T I O N. The sign of addition is plus. Now we are going to add 5 plus 2. To add 5 plus 2, we need to write 5 standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the below line, I am writing 2 standing lines. 1, 2. Now, I am going to add these 5 standing lines with these 2 standing lines. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. This is the best way for the beginner to calculate one digit addition. Now I am going to show you one more example. 6 plus 4. Now I am writing 6 standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the below line, I am writing 4 standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am adding these 6 standing lines with these 4 standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 plus 4 is equals to 10, 10.